Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to replace the battery in your standard wireless motion detector. Locate your motion detector. Note the device may be installed flat on a wall or in a corner of a room. You may need a stepladder to reach. Before you begin, make sure your system is disarmed and let the monitoring center know you'll be doing maintenance. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR123A lithium battery. Locate the plastic tab on the bottom edge of the detector's cover. Using a flathead screwdriver or finger, press upward on the tab, then hinge the front cover upward to remove it. Inside, you'll see one CR123A lithium battery. Note the orientation of the positive and negative ends. Carefully remove the battery and set it aside for proper recycling. Insert the new CR123A battery, making sure the positive and negative ends match the markings inside the compartment. Press the battery firmly into place. Align the cover with the base hinging at the top and press until it snaps closed. Make sure it's flush on all sides. The detector will power up, indicated by a flashing red LED. Once rebooted, test the detection area and verify setup at your keypad. The LEDs will only stay active for a short period after power-up. The low battery warning should clear automatically after a few minutes. And that's it. Your motion detector is now operating with a fresh battery. Thanks for watching.